Hello YouTube. There's another product that we found. I'm in them and didn't have much success with slime. So we went on Amazon and we found some. These are Mower, No Worries by a company www.noairproducts.com. So I'm installing those on my bad boy MZ Magnum zero turn mower. And they look pretty neat. And so here I am, a little garage here putting them on. And we're gonna try them out and see what happens. So it's just the it comes with a new sleeve, bearing, no valve stem because they're pneumatic tires, and then got a grease zerk on the side here. So what we're gonna do is it takes a 3/4 of an inch. I use a ratchet combination and a regular boxed in wrench to take these bolts out. That's when I have flats. So we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna leave the sleeve in this one. Put some wire in it just to keep up with it. Listen here, we're gonna roll it in and see if it's gonna fit like they said it would. And it says MZ Magnum on the side, on the website. So here's the new lock and lube, and I'll probably do a product review on it later on. But I want to get this done today, so I'm gonna squeeze a little grease out of here and just see what happens. Put a little bit on the bolt. There we go. And lube that thing up a little bit. It's already rusted out some. And let's, oops, I need to put that sleeve in there, don't I? Let's put that sleeve in there. Got a little grease on it. It's got some bearing lip that sticks out. So we'll roll that in. Let's see what happens. I'll put that back. Put the choker in here. Let's see. Now look cantankerous. I want to lift it up just a little bit in case it was to fall. Nobody won't get hurt, hopefully. Come on. Let's try it this way and see. Let's see that one in. I can spread it just a little bit. The sleeve may be a little bit too long. Yeah. The sleeves in this one may be a little bit longer than the ones that came out. Let's see what happens. Let's see if these will fit. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, let's just take the... That's a little bit too loose, so they're not going to work. Okay, so it looks like we might have to do a little bit of modifying. That's the sleeves that came with the product. It's a little bit longer than the one that came out. And so I'm probably going to take it, put it on the grinder, grind a little bit off just to get it in there. Finally got it through, tightening it up. Should not have taken this long. This manufacturer should have known that the arms are gonna be pressed in. Should have gave it a little bit more. Should have gave us a little bit more slack. But they're on, and we'll see what happens. Get them in. Guess I need to grease them before I got them in the air. Finally got the tires on. It's more intense than what it needs to be. Had to ground down the center sleeve to get the wheels on. They ain't got the wheels on, had problem with my grease gun. So they're on. I'm gonna run it around. I'm letting it down now, and we'll see how it rides.